Why, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today is Song of the Wind Violin Edition and Tutorial Edition. Although I don't like that word because it sounds really old. And so let's just say step by step, walk through. I'm going to take you from the beginning to the end, take it apart, break it down. How are we going to play this song, right? It's song number 3 in Suzuki Book 1 for violin. All right, it's not an easy song, so I feel like a tutorial is a good thing to do, or walk through. So let's do 3 parts. If we can get these 3 parts, practice them individually, get them good, and then put them together, we got this song. All right, here we go. Number 1, super easy. Part number 1 is going to be A, 1, 2, 3, E. I call it the scale. Easy. So on the violin here, we're going to be doing A, 1, 2, 3, E. Okay? So we're just walking up the A string, open E. Okay? Pretty easy. You can practice that here or up here. Are you ready? Point your fingers and thumb. Here we go. A, 1, 2, 3, E. Easy. All right. So next part. 1, 3, 3, 1, E. Shh. 1, 3, 3, 1, E. So notice that echo there. Okay. How do we do that? Okay, on the violin. So we have 1 on the E string. There we go. 1. And then we hop to 3 on the A. 3 on the E. 1. Open E. Okay. So our 1 is going to be the pivot. We're going to use that to pivot between the 3 on the A, 3 on the E. Okay. Here we go. So let's do that all together. So it's going to be 1, hop 3, 1, E. Now let's do quiet echo. 1, hop 3, 1, E. Okay? Let's try putting that all together. Okay? Let's see if we can do the scale with the hop 3s. Okay? Again, guitar style if you want, or up here. 1 and 2 and A, 1, 2, 3, E, 1, 3, 3, 1, E, echo, 1, 3, 3, 1, E. All right, go back, replay, practice. Those hop 3s are not the easiest thing, right? Always keep your 1 down when you're hopping, okay? That's the key. Okay. Part 3 is the longest, okay? You notice we got through part 1 and 2 pretty fast. Part 3 is like the whole second half of the song, okay? It's made up of what I call 2 giant staircases, a trampoline, and a landing, okay? Or a dismount, whatever you want to think about. Okay, I'll explain. So let me sing it first. It's going to be E, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, A, 2, E. E, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, A. All right. So, do you hear the A to E? It's like you jumping at like spring. You getting Super Mario jump up to the clouds, and then you kind of walk down a staircase, whatever you want, and then the ending you just kind of land. Okay. Okay. This one is a tricky one because my students always try to count how many 3s, how many 2s, how many 1s. So they're like E, then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, A, 2, E. I mean, already it sounds like a mess, right? Could you imagine like all of that counting and happening? There's no way it's going to sound musical, right? They're always going to have some sort of hiccup or something weird happening. So I have to think melodically. If you can kind of trick your brain into just getting this melody in your head, then we're going to add the finger numbers with the boss power, and then it'll be like lyrics to a song, okay? So let's learn the melody first, right? So we have this thing, la, 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 like that. Okay, ready? And la, 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, can't sound worse than me. I mean, that's not the best. So don't be afraid. Just try. Because we gotta make that connection between the boss producing the sound and then how we can match it with the violin, and so we have some sort of way to test it and gauge if we're correct or not. Okay, you have to have it in your head at least. Okay, so let's add the finger numbers. Okay, so E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A. Okay? Oh, I'm on pitch. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so let's try plucking those giant staircases. Okay. Again, guitar style if you want, or if not, up on your shoulder. 1 and 2 and E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A. All right. Again, go back, replay, 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 practice, practice, practice. Get those giant staircases to be awesome. Now's the time we're going to put sections 1, 2, and 3 together. That's going to be the scale, the hop threes, 2 of them, and then 2 giant staircases. Then we have a repeat at the end, so we're going to go back to the beginning and do it all over again. Let's. I know it doesn't sounds crazy, right? Let's do it, okay? Boss is in control. Let's always keep thinking forward. Here we go. So straight wrist again. This one I suggest if you can do it, on your shoulder, because we're gonna do the play through all the way through it. Thumbs, pointer fingers. Here we go. 1 and 2 and A 1 2 3 E E E E 1 3 3 1 E echo 1 3 3 1 E giant staircase. E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A. Repeat. A 1 2 3 E E E E 1 3 3 1 E. Repeat. 1 3 3 1 E. Here we go. E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A. All right. I kind of missed that echo in the 1 3 3 1 E, the second one. So I was okay, but not great. So remember that. Don't be like me. All right. It's time to practice bow circles. Okay. There's a reason why I haven't, done with the bow yet, and why I'm separating pizzicato from doing it with the bow. It's because we have our first bow circles ever in Suzuki, okay? What are bow circles? So like on our E string, we're going to be in the middle of the bow, and we're going to go down. We're going to push out, and then back. We're going to circle back. Okay? It doesn't look like a circle from there, but if I go this way, you'll see the circle. Down, out, and around. Down, out, and around, okay? So I like to think of this as, if you're swimming in the pool and you see like a bug or something floating on the surface, or like garbage or something, and you're like, stay away, you kind of do this, right? You kind of swish the water away from you. That's kind of what we want to do here. So we want to swish out and away. So down, out, and around. Okay? So it's like big swishes. We're trying to get that garbage away from us, okay? Swish away. All right. So let's practice it in context, because like where does it happen, right? So after the 1 3 3 1 E circle, 1 3 3 1 E circle. Okay, so let's practice those. Here we go. And 1 3 3 1 E circle, 1 3 3 1 E circle. Okay. Next part. It's going to be after the trampoline, A 2 E circle. And then after our landing at the bottom of the second staircase, A circle. Because we have to be ready for the repeat, okay? And the ending of the song, I like to do the circle because it helps the sound resonate, okay? We don't stop the string from resonating. All right, so giant staircase, okay? Let's try it. Ready, and E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E circle. E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A circle. Okay? So that's that. Are you ready? Okay? Let's try to play from the beginning all the way to the end with the repeat. Okay, so we play beginning to end. We have 4 bow circles. If we do the repeat, a total of 8 bow circles. Woo, you're going to be working, 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 okay? Here we go, okay? Best position to start out, straight wrist, please. Make sure you have your pinky on your bow. All right, here we go. Let's do a slow end of our performance practice. Here we go. So maybe dum bum 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 1 and 2 and E E E E 1 3 3 1 E circle echo 1 3 3 1 E circle staircase E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E circle E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A circle repeat A 1 2 3 E E E E 1 3 3 1 E circle 1 3 3 1 E circle E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A 2 E circle E 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 A circle. Oh, do you hear how that rings at the end when you lift the bow at the end? Really nice. All right, so this is not easy, okay, as you can tell, especially if you're just starting out, a total beginner. Practice, replay, go back and really practice, and each part pause and do it yourself. Really practice it. Once you get good and you can kind of put those 3 parts together and play it through with me at the very end like we just did, then you're ready to use my other video, which is the playthrough. All right. So then in the playthrough, I do a slower speed for the performance. Like if you're going to play in a recital, that's kind of like the slowest you could play it, and then I do the fastest that you could play in a recital that would kind of make sense. Okay, and anywhere in between, you're good for a performance. All right. I hope to see you next time.